Greetings molweni, sanibonani kanza kwethu siphinde sinibingelele sinamukele kolunye uhlelo lingqayizi Valley East Durban Network. Sabela mfowandaba aselo insizwa le phansi eMkhomazi. Ohlelweni lwethu ke namhlanje sivakashelwe ukwanda zamaswazi Ntombela. Uyena upresident omncane kunabo bonke mongacabanga nje upresident abake baba khona kuma political parties eSouth Africa futhi uyena upresident omncane kunabo bonke oqale inhlangano ezongenela ukhetho njengoba siya ku4 November, but without wasting any time ake ngimbingelele Kwanda sikubingelele studio.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Unaminyaka emingaki soqala inhlangano yakho?
I am 19 years old. Jeez, it's very rare.
Yeah.
Indaba yepolitiki phela, when you just have a look at the political space, phela vele you expect grey hair, you expect nesibongo esijwayelekile, and decades in politics, ithomba uSamini noMandela, sekukhona thina ke manje abantu abasha.
Yeah.
Just 19.
The new kids on the block.
Definitely.
Jeez. NGG. Ichazana ngale NGG awusinabele nje ha.
Okay, before I get to the NGG political party, I would just like to introduce myself ukuze abantu bazi ukuthi ubani lo ohola o founde nayo le NGG singaze nje singenele kuyo. So igama lami uKwanda Samazi waNtombela, ngina 19 years old as I have mentioned. Ngisuka Ntabuka le eNkandla eMahlathini amnyama.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so my political journey ayiqalanga nje ngokuthi ngibe upresident of NGG. Unalokho I've been very much participating in community development. My NPOs ahlukahlukene ama organization ahlukahlukene. So abantu mabengabuza credibility ukuthi phoma nje sokuthemba kanjani ukuthi ube umongameli wezwe. Ikona lokho ngikubekayo ukuthi I've also started my leadership skills when I became an entrepreneur. From a very young age. Ngina 14 years old mina I managed to move out ngibe ne-apartment yami sengiqala ukuba economically independent. Sekwazi ukuthi ngiyikhokhelele ngisho school fees esikoleni. Had businesses, ngaba ne-preschool, ngaba nama-student accommodation. Konke lokho kudinga i-leadership skill, especially ma umuntu omusha una 14 une-employer mdala kunawe. So ufunda lapho nje nendlela yokumanager entire business. So ngaqala nje lapho kahle kahle ukuthi ngibone ukuthi okay, I actually ngiphiwe kakhulu when it comes to leading. So kwahamba ngoba ngibone ukuthi okay, as much as ngi-economically independent, abangani bami ngisesikoleni kodwa bona they are still dependent kubazali. Dabawona ama-entrepreneur ngilekelela kanjani kwayilapho ke esengiqala ama-NPO ama-organization ukuze ngikhuthaze nabanye abantu abasha ukuthi so nayi mina indlela esengiyiqalile nani ngijoineni ukuze sikwazi sonke ukuthi sibe economically independent.
Ngiyathanda mawuthinta eyokuthi bawuvele umuntu oparticipator for which nathi sikwazela kwi-MK teams, which raises another question though ukuthi usuke kanjani lapha, what was the reason behind it manje the NGG has been born?
Okay, so from the MK teens, to explain na MK teens kwabangayazi. So I founded MK Teens and Learners Command of South Africa. Kwakuyi organization advocateela abafundi learners in high schools and primary schools. Ngangisebenzisana kakhulukazi with former president of South Africa, President Jacob Zuma. Kwakuyila kahle ngiqala nje nokuya kuye ngangiye nge-meeting ngenza appointment ukuthi nginayo i-business proposal ngicela ukulekelelwa here and there. Kwakuthi kodwa manje masikhuluma ngomzabalazo, sikhuluma ngokuthi phela intsha ayibe khona. Khona nje enye into ayimenshina ethi kukhona enye i-journalist yake yambuza yena uPresident Jacob Zuma before nje umkhonto wesizwe announce ngoDecember. Wabuza ukuthi ngoba phela wena wake waba umongameli for 2 terms, yini esikwenza ukuthi ungadedeli intsha ingene phela manje kwi-political space nayo uyazi ukuthi nakho ama-party kwazi uqala ama-party etc. Washo nje elilodwa wathi iphi intsha yena he has been president kwakuthi akasayena ku-president iphi intsha pho lapho. Ngangena nami kanjalo ukuthi nayi sengikhona ke mina as intsha ngiyawazi ungena nami I do have characteristics of being a leader. That's where I founded the MK Teens and Learners Command. Sasebenza kodwa kwaba nezingqimamba eziningi kakhulu ama internal conflicts in the party. Singalekelelwa kodwa nakhona ngi-understand ukuthi nayo i-conditioning abantu especially the older generation not to bash them but abazali bethu responsibilities amaningi nawo so befuna ukondla imindeni yabo thina as intsha asinayo imindeni ekumele siyondle so that's why imali ingaduki nje kalula kanjalo makukhona thina so of course la uma interest ke ma personal interest abantu in the MK party agcina sengilida ukuthi you know what let me actually transition ngoba I did not even come out nga transition ukuthi okay you know what ngikubona nanokuthi abantu abasha ba face i-oppression eningi kulama political parties kuba ba politically captured kukhona bayakalela ukuthi ungasho ukuthi ngabona it's okay now this is a black on black oppression le angivule iqembu elikwazi ukuthi libeke intsha phambili as I have been advocating ukuthi ngiyavinjwa ngapha so kwaba ukuthi I had conversations futhi with uPresident Jacob Zuma about this so he's very much aware ngokuthi kwenzakalani etc
so tell us about the NGG.
Okay, so NGG it stands for the Next Generation Government. I think inegama on its own liyayichazela nje ukuthi igovernment nje ayiphathwe manje i-next generation sesi ready so iNGG ngingasho ukuthi nje mangi summarizer iNGG consists of youth esikhathele ukutshelwa ukuthi izinto nazi izinto for the future we are the leaders now already asiyake manje ukutshelwa ngefuture ifuture le iyamoshwa literally sikhona la so iyouth esikhathele amanga esikhathele ama promises that are made by political parties iyouth ezosukuma isebenzise wona ama policies that have always been put because the one thing that I've realized ukuthi siyabantu abamnyama sinawo ama solutions it's just the implementation that's an issue maningi ama policies ukuthi no for example kuma imphakathi makuphumya ibudget ukuthi nayi ibudget yamanzi ukulungisa indaba zamanzi nezogesi i-implementation ivele ingenzeki ukuthi imali iyadliwa etc NGG siyiyouth siyayisukumela ngoba sibona ikusasa lethu ukuthi kukhona inkinga ezoza la masingasukumi asisukume sililele ikusasa lethu nathi sidominate in the political space because ngempela mawuthatha ukubheka we cannot be solving 2026 problems with 1994 thinking kudingakala new thinking in the political space in innovation nabantu abazoyilwela le future le esobe sikuyo vele when it comes to us abantu abasha ngeke ngempela sithi nathi will be part of corruption because we will be in the future in the next 10 years 20 years 30 years we will be existing and we will be facing the consequences ezinto esizenza manje laba khona kuma parliament already those who are in power nabo bayabona ukuthi ayivele sobe sesingekho so asala sesimosha so iNGG formation yabantu abasha sebethe sikhathelwe izithembiso ezingafulfilla ayikho emsebenzi ipoverty yelokhu inyukile nje icrime asisukumeleni ngoba siyakwazi ukuthi nathi sizilwele nabo bonke laba vela basema parliament basukuma bebasha yini ke ngasivimba thina sekhona technology sekhona Google sekhona social media
Gwanda, being aware ukuthi leadership comes with a lot of responsibilities. Some people may doubt your maturity ukuthi at some point I mean you'll be overwhelmed blah 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 and stuff. How ready you are to lead?
Okay, when it comes to that as I've mentioned, kungisize kakhulu ukuba ne-experience because something that I have learned with me doing research on even all minister bethu. I'll keep doing ama example ngezinto ezikhona already. All minister bethu, you go there, you look at them, you look at the qualifications, they have matric. Kodwa bayi-leader, they are entire minister, they are part of the ministry of a certain department. So, ngokwama leadership skills, as I've mentioned, me being an entrepreneur, me leading vele and working very closely with someone who was at the highest, who was operating at the highest level of politics, so President Jacob Zuma, wakwazi ukuthi naye anginikeza ama political tools because kuyena honestly speaking ngangumuntu obefika nje when we have meetings kungabe ukuthi ngijabulela ukuthi umongameli kodwa ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi vele ke siqhubeka kanjani ke manje kulomzabalazo awungitshela wena ama solution nawo nayo inkinga nakho amabhizinisi asinawo siyabantu abamnyama awaxhaswa senze njani ke in this matter ngima research ngoba wakwabu president nginikeza ama policies nama solutions ukuze sisukume siwa implement. So I've been a curious person ngibuza ukuthi battalion manje mele siyithathe siyintsha siyithatha kanjani. So all of those questions kanye nama answers engeke ngawathola iwona ama political contributed to the political tools that I need ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngilide ngikwazi ukuthi ngiwamela ama responsibilities amasha nanokuthi ngoba ngiyumuntu omusha ngiyafundiseka because mase usumuntu omdala of course for sure usuyazi you have the knowledge ngisho mangathoma umuntu engak-advise nje uzothi nje ngeke ngitshelwe lo as a young person mina ngiyafuna ukuthi umuntu omdala umuntu omnyama sondela kimi ning-advise uma ngibheda ningilungise angiyena upresident o-arrogant and the entitlement into engekho la ku-NGG it's part nje of ukuthi mawungena even in the leadership structures awubi ne-entitlement ukuthi hayi sengu-president manje ngiyisikhondla ngeke ngisakhuluma nabantu abanyama or ngikhulule omunye umuntu omnyama so ngiyahlala nje phansi ngimlalela umuntu so ama responsibilities kanye nezinto mhlawumbe engingazazi ongenza ukuthi angizazi as much as I've done my research I'm very much open to always learning ngoba ngisanethuba lokuthi ngiwenza amaphutha in the political space esibona nabanye bebadala bewenza amaphutha kodwa bexolelwa so nami that could also apply ngidinge futhi ama advising wathole kubantu abadala who have been there.
We know very well ukuthi kupolitiki kunemali sometimes it just depends which position are you in. Let's say people bayayivotela inhlangano yenu then you move to a certain position whereby you'd be exposed to money, a lot of it by the way, and one would say kujwayelekile ukuthi umuntu osasemusha overwhelm mhlawumbe imali thola ukuthi usedansa la ko Florida ko Devonport asaphele endaweni ezithile because umqondo wakhe mhlawumbe awukabi ready nokudila nemali. Ngifuna nje usinikeze just a bit of a lead ukuthi as NGG nabantu abasha because uyobungekho wedwa niyobe senikwazi ukudila nento enjenganalezo.
Okay, mhlambe angiphindele nje ama objective of the NGG ukuze mhlawumbe uzokwazi ukuthi uphenduleleke entirely. So one of our central objectives as a next generation government ukuthi we want to implement ama strategies that the Afrikaner communities implemented to gain economic freedom in South Africa.
Yeah.
So we are implementing those and ngokubona when we do our researches ngokubona inkinga esibhekene nabantu abasha if we'd be economically free yonke into ingalunga. Unemployment sobe sesikhala ngani si economically free. So we are working with different organizations kanye nama stakeholders ngisebenza nabanye abantu abasha we are currently in discussions abanama farm abanamabhizinisi amakhulu abangena kwi-trucking industry mining as well. Siyakhuluma ukuthi ngoba nina senifikile laphaya nina mabhizinisi you'll have escaped the system. Sibatakula kanjani ke abanye abantu abasha abanye abantu abamnyama ukuthi nabo phela abayitholele economic freedom esesikuyo. So si NGG we are a party that is implementation driven. Asigcini nje ngokukhuluma kanjalo so us gaining economic freedom kubonakala nasemphakathini ukuthi hayi siyasebenza ngempela ukuthi wonke umuntu omnyama ayitholele economic freedom yobe singasasithusi imali. We are already in business. We are already working with abanye abantu abasha abazota kulabanye in mining sectors. Yini ke yobe isithusa lapho nanokuthi we don't have responsibilities as I mentioned ngoba nayo le ndaba yemali ukuthi uyithathe suye kuyi corruption on its own. Nge-corruption leyo ubani sesimondla ngoba when you have a look at umuntu omdala for example those that we see in parliament abalala eParliament banengane uyabona usuke yabona naye umuntu ukuthi athi ngiyitshontshele imali le or athi ngiyithathele imali le ngoba phela ngeke ngisaba khona and ingane zamele ngiyishiye lifa ne generational wealth etc. Thina sisanasi isikhathi sokuthi izinto futhi siyihluze singavele sithathe nje imali sibuke ukuthi in the future yobe isakhona yini and we don't have responsibilities ukuthi mhlawumbe khona umashonisa sesibabalekela asinazi ingane siyintsha yini ke ezosenza ukuthi siyithathe leyo mali. So yeah.
Gwanda anything ngifuna sibheke South Africa it's more of a rainbow nation hence they name it in 1994.
Yes.
It consists of I think four different races which is the the blacks, the Indians, the coloreds, and the white people. Nina njengane NGG yini enizimisele ukuyenza ukwenza sure ukuthi these imbalances that have been said for a lot of time ukuthi abantu abamnyama basasalele ngokomnotho compared to the other races, nizokwenza kanjani to recorrect that situation?
So for us to recorrect that situation, ukuthi ngoba ngimentionile when it comes to our central objective, economic freedom already kulama races ngingasho ukuthi eyodwa phela, the Afrikaners, who are the whites, who actually have a very strong economic position in South Africa. And then the rest of the races, yiba babazotakulwa iNGG ngokuthi sikwazi ukuqoqa emphakathini, si create economic freedom. For example, futhi angikhuluma mhlawumbe ngento esesibona implement, angabe ukuthi nami ngiphinda lokho kushiwo wonke amanye ama politicians. So there's initiative la yaseGoli ebizwa ngeisinkwa sethu. Where kwaba khona nje a guy youth umuntu omusha umuntu omnyama owathi yazi imphakathi wethu asikhulumi asikhulisele umphakathi asithathe i-local production seriously. Shout out to them futhi ngoba they're doing a very much good job. So there's i-baker or i-bakery edayisa izinkwa laphayana, and kukhona nje umuntu oyidayisayo, it's now a big business, and I would say everyone in that community is kind of obligated to buy leso sinkwa ukuthi beyothenga uAlban. They are supporting black businesses, like angazi ngabe ngithini kodwa nje that's the strategy that we'll be using. That's how the Afrikaners also gained independence enjalo nanokuthi ngoba ukhuluma ngokurecorrecta le ndaba yama imbalances. Our next objective, CNGG, education system. I think I've also highlighted this in our previous interview. Iyona impela nje ngoba wonke umuntu goes through education.
True.
So kubaleke ukuthi naye si correct. Ngoba sila kwi podcast ila eKZN. We have lost dignity siyabantu abamnyama or the marginalized. I think ibeke ukuthi the marginalized. So ngoba sila eKZN yini kungani ezikoleni for example kungaqinisa ukuthi ngoba ku like KZN akufundwe yonke into ngesizulu. Yini kulokho kubekwele English le phambili or Africans phambili kwaZulu Natal. eLimpopo ayini ingaqiniswa isivenda nesipedi khona. That's how we can balance things out when it comes to the education system. So iqala lapho, so izinto lezi iNGG ezoyitheklisha kusa early nje. Because namanje siyaqala ukuthi sihlangane siyahamba sezikoleni sikhulume le ndaba ukuthi young people kahle hle nayi language yethu la, because nami I myself as president ngeke ngikhale nje ngokuthi it's not a good thing ukuthi mangikhuluma ngiintend ukuthi ngikhiphe nje isiZulu nje kodwa lokho kuqhamuka isingisa education system that has conditioned me ukuthi ngibe njalo. So that's how we will balance things out, and we are already working on it.
And that's true, because I think 2 years back somebody said uma kungafundwa ngesizulu kwaZulu Natal abantu bangaphasa ngo distinctions because language abakhule ngayo, language abayincelebeleni. That brings me to the next question yokuthi i-education system sisakhuluma ngayo sikhula sifunda ama-locust ukuthi lidwetshelwa kanjani iqhwagi iselesele lidwetshelwa kanjani, whereas in the other continents, let's say Asia for instance, China, Japan, your Korea, blah blah blah, iy'ngane zakhona at a very very young age sezi-productive, sezakha ama-toys ezibhamu, sezakha even some apps are created by kids that are less even than 10 years. As iNGG mhlampe nizosithatha imigcine senisibeka lapho iy'kole phela azibe productive, umuntu angazayo ofunda grade 12 efunda theory impilo yakhe iziyoqala sena 25.
Definitely. So see NGG, since it's part of our central objectives vele ukuthi siyitheklisha indaba ye education system, we have drafted ama syllabus amasha. So of course you have to be in power in order to change all of that. Mawusakhuluma nje into ongazi ukuthi uyilungise in communities etc. Kodwa sik-implementayo njengamanje CNGG, as we are an implementation driven political party, ukuthi si abantu abasha okuyibona sibatarget kulula as basakwazi ukuthi befundiseke bebe open minded as much. siyayiqinisa indaba yokuthi bukani njengamanje nje for example uka grade 8 uka grade 8 and you don't have any skills with our community building initiatives and programs as the NGG siyayifaka indaba yama skills nakhona because ngempela njengamanje si NGG nazi kahle uthi maningi kangaka ama political party angeke silokhu nathi sila sithi siyabantu abasha siphinde yonke into enziwa ama traditional political parties lokhu sithi once we get into power we will do this lezinto zi possible ukuzenza ngisho ungakangeni in power ukuthi i-Department of Education kumele ungene kuyo nani kodwa ezinye izinto ukuthi nje kube nama initiatives ngoba we are working with different organizations that offer skills ngoba nje I always complain nami nje myself even at my home ukuthi how wahlephe kumshanelo angisazi ngisho ukulungisa yet when you have a look at this thing historically before 1994 kwaye khona ama skills ezikoleni mina nje mama uyakwazi nje ukuthunga mangibuza waze lapha ukuthunga ngafunda esikoleni angazi ka form ba uyabona shothi lento le ngingayibeka ngokuthi khathi kungena iANC emandleni or igovernment lesisiphethe emandleni the colonizers they change everything, they change the system indlela okwenziwa ngayo kuze kube ngathi abantu abamnyama abaphathayo that are governing right now they are failing to actually do the things so kwashintshwa nje izinto eziningi before 1994 into kumele ishintshe ukuthi phela kuphela udlame uyabona nama systems lawa amanye ayehlukumeza umuntu omnyama physically nangazo zonke ezinye indlela kodwa ama skills lawa they had to remain kodwa ngokuthi phela bayazi vele goal bayafuna ukuthi singabi nama skills ukuze kuzokwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngene nabantu bangaphandle bethatha imisebenzi ngoba they do have skills so of course we are tackling those issues si NGG ukuthi ama skills they must be mandatory ngoba singakawazi ukuthi singene ka Department of Education si change the entire syllabus kodwa siyawazi ukungena emphakathini ngalama initiative esikwenzayo ukuthi sikhulume ngama skills senze show thina masingena emphakathini nje for example khona imphathe siye kuwo nje siya kuwo futhi even eGoli siqale la in KZN la i strong base yethu ekhona we ensure ukuthi masifike emphakathini othile sihamba sazi kahle ukuthi khona osenebusiness umuntu omusha la khona seqashe ebani la okhona iskill osesifundile la asiphumi nje ngosishiye izithembiso ukuthi manasivotela sizonikeza lokho nizofuna cha we are already implementing ukuthi umuntu omnyama vuka uvule ibusiness nakho siyakulethela ama skills thina mawudinga usizo when it comes to funding we have organizations that work with us angawazi uthelekelele kancane la esikhona
i corruption ilimaze kangakanani izwe lethu
ilimaze kakhulu because bengeke ngibe la kuthiwa akazi bekhona icorruption mele size ngoba sisukuma nje sesiyintsha siyingane siyizukulwane zamanje zokugcina I don't know silimele kakhulu we look at unemployment for example ade kusanda kuphuma nje ama statistics inyuka ilokhu inyukile isazonyuka futhi it's because of corruption nepotism abanye baqasha izipokuze bethola imali and all of zonke lezo zinto you look at the education system corruption nutrition kuningi nje engisho ukuthi isilimaze kakhulu bese ngeke size siyisukumele ngempela siyintsha kuthiwa i-corruption is not an issue
mhlambe kakhulu ezintweni ekumele ngabe zikhulisa nina as the next generation mhlambe ngakubi corruption khona live imbe khona ukuthi nigcine nithola lelo thuba lokukhula
how can I put it ngingasho ukuthi kukhona kancane lokho kuvimbeka because iNGG we are very much of a self-funded party ngoba kukhona nemibuzo ebuzayo ukuthi uba nonfundayo hayi khuleka we are very much self-funded ngoba we don't want to be politically captured just like onke lamanye ama political parties asuke khona ethembise ngene eParliament bese yathula ngasaboni movement akusakhulunywa ngama issues abantu abawafaceayo so we are self-funded so lokho ukuba self-funded kwethu kuyasilimitha ngempela ke because because we can't go to other different provinces sometimes to implement ama program lawa amakhulu athile sikwazi nje ukungena nje kancane sifike la sifika khona so ngingasho ukuthi i-corruption yona iyasicindezela nje ngokuthi asiyifuni imali ezosithulisa asiyifuni funding ezosithulisa isicontrol
uma kungangena ucingo libuya ngala eStellenbosch ngoba sinokuzwa ukuthi ziyaqhamuka ingcingo ngala ngenzeni uliphendule lelo cingo
kure ukuthi singaliphendula and actually act on it. And unfortunately lento isuke ishiwe wonke umuntu actually oyibamba lo cingo. Ku rare because siyasazi kakhulu isitha as iNGG. Ngoba sikhona nje ngoba ngishilo we are a youth formation ethi asikhohliwe. Ngoba siyabona ukuthi abazali bethu they've forgotten the pain that we've gone through, the struggle that we are currently even going through kwamanje izinto ezingakapheli. So siyintsha asikhohliwe at all, and so lokho sibakhumbuzile ukuthi nakho izinto esazenzeka. So we definitely wouldn't sell our future at all. Ngoba future yethu ke manje le esezandleni zethu. So if we decide to take it back to Stellenbosch, iyobe iphelile nation. Ayisekho South Africa entirely.
Mhlambe ake sibuze lana kakhulu njengoba nibancane niteam nibancane nonke nisayingane, let's speak of the political experience. You know mangabe kuzovota kuba ama PGM ama conferences blah 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 ukulungisela lokho. How much of information do you have about that, or the knowledge in terms of that ukuze ningenze amaphutha azokwenza ukuthi ama structures wena agcine eba nama collusions?
Okay, ubaluleke kakhulu lo mbuzo ngoba ukubheke mina ngiyu-founder and president ukuthi umncane kangaka ngempela ke wena ke nje mawubuka ungakwazi ukuthi mase sengenile ngisho emandleni nizenze zonke lezi zinto. Into engijwayele ukuyenza ke mangithola lo mbuzo engijwayele ukuyibuza ukuthi awukhiphe nje ifoni yakho umuntu omnyama ungene ku Google ubheka ukuthi bonke labantu abaseParliament bangena benangaki emzabalazweni. When you have a look at the former presidents, our president lo khona namanje bonke they got emzabalazweni, they got into the struggle revolution at a very young age. Abanye bebancane kunami ngoba ngina 19 years old, but they were able ukuthi beshintshe uhulumeni wobandlululo konke lokho kwakwenziwa kwashintsha as much as kwangaphelelanga, but kwashintsha kwaba khona i-change ngoba asaphuma isidutshulwe la siyabantu abasha just like how it used to be. So if they could yini engahlula ke thina siyabantu abasha sesitholile le access to information, access to Google, khona no ICMR offices, we go there and try together. Kukhona yonke ayikho into engekho nokuthi ngoba ngishilo ukuthi we are open, we are very much open ukuthi omnyama sondela phela kithi siyingane zenu, advise us here and there. Kodwa information siya offerisha ama training classes ngoba usalapho nje when it comes to my leadership structures nanokuthi sesiya kuma local government election besikhipha nje simemezelo la a few days ago ukuthi intsha ayisukume manje, intsha enayo capacity yokuthi serve imphakathi yayo ay register or iapply ukuba ama ward councillor nama mayoral candidates ngaphansi kweNGG. Sifuna intsha ukuthi ibe in the forefront because one of our slogans it's young people will govern. So sifuna ukuthi lokho vele ku implementeke manje. So information nje ikhona, ngingasho ukuthi khona khona ama training esiwakhiphayo nathi as an organization ukuthi umuntu omusha so ina indlela okusebenza ngayo ukuthi mase usungena nalongena kube nikhansela nazi izinto ezenzayo ulandela lokhu ulandele lokhu uphinde futhi ubuyele ebantwini. That's something that we always emphasize ukuthi uyabuyela ke ebantwini uyo accounta futhi ube accessible because the entitlement is the reason why we are in this position we are at when it comes to the current affairs of South Africa.
Okay, angibuza umunye umbuzo asithi na indoda eneminyaka u35 njengamanje, hayi u35 mncane, asithi ena 45 or 50 njengoba kuzongenela uhulumeni basekhaya isicela ukungena under organization but ifuna ukuba i-candidate ye-ward ethile mhlambe u-ward 97 eThekwini, nenza kanjani kwalo muntu usengaphezulu kweni ngokweminyaka? Do you accept abantu asebe over age kuma structures wenu?
Okay, so when it comes to that, of course kuba khona vetting nje first of all, because into la esibalekela i-repetition ukuthi kuphinde futhi kungene ekube namakhansela kuphinda abantu ababodwa babe amakhansela ngo-2001 ngo-2005 ngoba phela siyabona ukuthi kwizimo lezi esikuzo in South Africa ingoba abazali bethu abantu abamnyama they keep voting for umuntu oyedwa ngisho esevezile ukuthi hayi uyahluleka, there's corruption included, silokhu siphindile sibavotela. So see NGG asibandlululi when it comes to that kulokho okuleli point olishoyo sekuwukuthi when it comes to leading when it comes to our national structures and provincial structures, that's where sifuna abantu abasha ukuthi bebe khona. So that's because they are new in the political space. They do need training and exposure to the political space. So umsisiqeda umuntu manje osemdala or owake vele waphatha etc. Of course we do need advisors here and there. We also have the Council of Elders in the structure of the NGG, because kwanami nje as president I do have a number of advisors, because luningi knowledge oyidingayo when it comes to actually governing an entire country. So asibadlulile at all when it comes to that. So
ukuthi bandla ubheka icele mengathi nje uzongena nomuthi lendololwane.
Inkinga ubheka icele phela, he has been there angithi, and siyabheka ukuthi yini ke eya experience ama South Africans khathi uphethe wena ngaleso sikhathi in that political party that you were in. If of course there was corruption, wonke umuntu ekubone ekwazi lokho, kwaba khona ama illegal immigrants angena ukhona wena as Minister of Police, of course akumele size singene nje ukuthi of course what kodwa nje of course
akangeni ku leadership nithatha ivote kuphela.
Not at all, akafaka ingane zakhe.
Okay, with regards to issue, we know that there's been a lot of unrest in South Africa regarding the issue of illegal immigration in South Africa. Still stand the same as NGG.
So as the next generation government, Thina sithi yonke into illegal. We are very much against anything illegal. So sithi nje nathi siyama, and we do stand with all movements aqinisa umthetho, because umthetho siyawazi, there are rules in the constitution ukuthi abantu aba illegal immigrants kumele ngabe kuba njalo. So ku illegal nje ungena in the country without a passport unga identifyeki. I myself I've actually been to Ghana and Ethiopia sometime this year, and when I say ngabuya lana, I actually had an engagement with Jacinta about this ukuthi hayibo kanti ngempela yini enzakalayo in South Africa, because I went to Ethiopia, I went to Ghana. When I say uma udlula kwi passport control ukhumula kwasani, ngadlula ukhumula icatholo bakuchecke ngisho ngaphansi kweinelo ukuthi mhlaba wekhona ama drugs akhona. That's how secure, that's how iqiniswa imithetho kwamanye amazwe. Then you find South Africa a banana republic evumela nje noma yini. So ngingasho ukuthi nje into umthetho nathi we enforce it, and siyama nama movement onke awuqinisa umthetho ovelo sokhona in the constitution.
Do you consider an illegal immigrant a criminal?
Yes, because illegal. If he wasn't a criminal, we understand siyabantu abasha ukuthi they are our brothers, they are our sisters. We understand that very well. Kodwa manje uma ise illegal into, because yazi ma umuntu omusha lento iveli izeduze, because ithini esifladeka with drugs.
Yeah.
Ithini mina ngiyama age mates ami ngina 19 ngingaka kuya it breaks my heart to see abantu abangangama abancane kunami being in drugs. I hate seeing osisibamo dade bethu being prostitutes. So lezo zinto zonke bese uthola ukuthi lowo muntu owadletha lezo zinto identifyeki. That's an issue. So usuke a criminal. Since it's illegal, that means there's a criminal offense esiyenzekile.
Are you registered as NGG?
We are very much registered. Sasithola isitifiketi sethu nje the beginning of August. Ngoba ukuthi siya launch a week after on the 6th of August 2026.
Yini abantu abangayilindela?
Into abangayilindela from the next generation government ukuthi we will implement. We are implementing. Bantu abamnyama ngiyazi sesifikile kule stage ukuthi hey mina nje abose ngikhathele nanokuvota manje athi ngavote. I understand that, we understand that very much well. Kodwa sekuwukuthi manje uma singavoti kuwina manje lama party lawa ayawina uma ungavoti. Ivote lakho says a lot. I know sesifike lapho, and that's why as the NGG sisho nje even in our slogans kuma poster ethu sithi no more promises. As the NGG asizenzi nje ithembiso sitalo. Sithi thina soyenza into hayi ukuthi siyathembisa ukuthi soyenza and sibukeni siyenza, and if you want to join us siyenze. So we are very much implementation driven. Noma lento lehlampa izothi ukuthi when it comes to ngathi ngiyadi campaign ukuthi abantu bevote, kodwa izinto eziningi when you look at our objective economic freedom, the education system ngoba ngimentionile akumele uzungene emandleni ukuze uziimplement. I think basibamba lapho nje ama political parties ne government ekhona njengamanje ukuthi hayi kumele size singene sithola amandla ukuze sishintshe izinto. Cha, kuyalungiseka singakangeni emandleni. So abantu abamnyama as much as ngempela sibhekene nale inkinga sibone ukuthi ukuvota akulekeleli kodwa nayi sikhona manje NGG elidwa youth yenu izingane zenu literally abantu engakwazi esizukulwane senu abantu engakwazi ukuthi nibathinte nisho ukuthi hayi angisahambi ke manje ngakho sicela ukunicorrecta ngapha sibuye sophindela kini neyabazali bethu so we are very much implementation driven sihluke nje ngalokho ukuthi asilokho sikhuluma asithembisi lutho asisho ukuthi the future that's another thing That's another thing. It's topic engathandi nje ukuyizwa ukuthi hayi let us fix for our future. No, let us do this is for our future. We are the now. We are the leaders of today. There's no future, skhathele future because even ama projects or ama plans asukenziwe government or other political parties so befuna ukupostpone the future, the future. See NGG sithi namhlanje we are changing everything.
Do you feel
namhlanje we are implementing?
Do you feel excluded as a youth in South Africa?
I think we are very much excluded because bayazi ukuthi how radical we are. We are very much radical nokuthi conditioning. Bese ngeke sibe condition bese sithi asikho excluded. Si conditioned ukuthi abantu abasha singayithandi ipolitiki. It's like a very distant topic from us. Into nje ukuthi uyemabuka even in iMahlanga Commission for example because that is also politics on its own. Kugcwele nje abantu abadala nje lapha ya. Uyabona? So pensioners. So we are conditioned siyabantu abasha ukuthi ipolitiki nje kuba into ekude asifundiswa ngisho esikoleni about politics mina ngichazele as a person who finished matric last year education into la eduze ngiyazi ngikhumbula exactly ukuthi business studies ngangifunda ni-LO ngifunda there is nothing that speaks of politics awufundiswa ngokuvotwa awufundiswa ngalutho ukuthi awuyona nje citizen kahle sima umuntu omusha uba citizen mawusuna 18 That's an issue that we address. So we are very much excluded. Even when you have a look, angithanda ukubhesha ama political parties abantu abamnyama ngoba siyabantu abamnyama and we have to unite at the end of the day. Kodwa it's important ukuthi mention izinto nje esingeke nathi siziphinde ngapha in the NGG ngoba it would be pointless ukuthi sibe khona. And nani ma South Africans manibona ukuthi no nathi we are becoming part or senza lokho kwenziwa yonke ama political parties nisitshele sime sivale into soyivala. Sizoyivala honestly speaking ngoba sikhathele izithembiso. We are really tired. So as I was speaking ama political parties ahlukahlukene kuba khona ama youth wing, youth leagues, student leagues etc. Kodwa there's a lot of oppression that goes on in there. As much as kukhona wing kodwa ungawazi ukusukumeza umuntu omusha in that political party ungakwazi take a decision or be part of the decision making process ayikho indaba yakho you are completely excluded yet you are a member. So we are just always used and it's campaigning strategies kulama political parties. iNGG ithi abantu abasha abeze ibabeka nje phambili. They are part of the leadership. We take a decision so siyabantu abasha as a collective siyabantu abasha ukuthi phela we do need advice kubantu ababe khona phambili abaziyo lendlela before us best advisor here and there and in our constitution kukhona isisho sithi young people as governors, elders as advisors instead of rulers. So abantu abadala, older generation, our black parents, our marginalized parents, esibabona nabo behluleka, bestrugglisha, bekwi-poverty. Siyabasona ukuthi abazosicijisa here and there. Kodwa when it comes to decision making, abantu abasha sibabeka phambili. We are the ones who decide because this is our future at stake. Siyazi ukuthi masimosha siyimoshela thina.
What are the challenges that you are facing now?
Okay, so the challenges that we are facing ukuthi since we are self-funded because ngempela siyabalekela le ndaba yokuba politically captured no control. We are self-funded and we have limited resources to maneuver. Asikwazi ukufinyelela ngalesikhathi suke sisibekile because the goal was to actually show the entire South Africa ukuthi cha lezinto esishoyo thina sithi sikwazi ukuzenza ngisho ngasivotelile. We wanted to implement all our programs. Siqala ama business kuma communities onke. Before u4 November ukuze bebone ukuthi cha lento siyayibona ikhona iyasebenza let me vote. So manje siyahluleka ukwenza lokho because of our limited resources. So into esiyenzayo ukuthi siyazama ucrowdfunda ukuthi abantu abamnyama who see the vision of iNGG, abantu abasha, the marginalized who see the vision yeNGG abasondele besilelele nganoma yini abanayo ukuze sifinyelele emphakathi lehlukahlukene sikwazi ukuthi sishiye that information that we know, sishiye lawo ma skills, lawo ma businesses esingawathole ezikoleni.
Mhlambe any question ebalekile ingazisala njengoba manje ama political parties sekhipha ama mayoral candidates komasipala abahlukene sibonile nje ama political ahlukahlukene nina mhlambe lo ma structures ukuthi who is your mayoral candidate here in eThekwini kwaDukuza sizothola nini lezo ndaba.
Okay, so sizokuthola kahle nje by next week Wednesday. So currently we are ngoba bengimentionile ukuthi sikhiphe nje isimemezelo recently because I think bekuyisabotage nyana futhi ukuthi vele sithole icertificate sethu ukuthi siyiphathi manje ngoAugust sekusele inyangana nje so ama local government elections. So we are calling on all young people ngoba niyayibona unemployment rate nani ake singeneke manje in governing imisebenzi soyithola lapho ke when we actually govern siba makhansela ukuze yehle le unemployment rate so sibiza bonke abantu abasha ukuthi aba apply sebe applyile nje inqwaba abantu abasha and it makes me so happy to see us wanting to be so involved ngoba siyafuna ukushintsha nathi imphakathi esikhulele kuyo siyafuna ukushintsha ngoba we always as young people we have goals ukuthi ngiyefuna ukuthi nje ngithola imali ngishintshe ekhaya kithi umanje ngikhuliswe yi-single mother ihluleka ngiyibona izama yonke into so konke lokho we have that motivation so abantu abasha they've applied they're applying every weekend siba nama training nje ukuthi ke masusungenile ke emkhandlwini nasi izinto nakho ukusebenza oba khansela kusebenza kanje because of course we haven't been exposed to these things before so siyabafundisa ke so bese simemezela kahle before next week Wednesday ngoba sekuzovalwa futhi ukungenelela ama nominations
njengamanje man campaigner who's your target in ama varsity because they've got abantu that you are targeting isemalokishini who exactly you targeting
i-target yethu uma ungayibuka nje NGG mhlambe nama principles akhona wena ungathi umuntu omusha kodwa we target all marginalized people bonke abantu abamnyama sebelahlekelwe yithemba when it comes to voting and ngiyaba understand literally bonke abamnyama sebelahlekelwe yithemba bonke abantu abamnyama asebekhathele ukuthenjiswa asebekhathele ukuyinikela kulamaqembu angakwazi ukuimplementa yonke into suke sebeyithembisile sebengenile emandleni sithagetha nje wonke umuntu omnyama ozamayo ukuthi naye ayithole economic independence because ngempela nasi lokho sikhalela imisebenzi yinto ehlulayo ukuthi sisukume sibe nama business ethu just like how the Afrikaners did yini esihlulayo ukuthi nathi siwakhe Shoprite wethu why do we keep supporting this white monopolies and supremacists so siyasukuma nje sithagetha wonke umuntu omnyama osekhathele ukukhohliswa osekhathele literally mangithi umuntu omnyama okhathele kuningi ehlula kukho sithagetha osisi bethu odade bethu siyazazi nanosizi lweni manisebenza lapha ko Shoprite manisebenza kuma call center wonke umuntu omnyama osekhathele ilezi zinto ezenzakala eSouth Africa iyona target audience yethu le
ungena kwi field egcwele a lot of hyenas that are wearing sheep skins and stuff full of lions and stuff
yes
do you think you'd survive
I think I will survive uma ama South Africans abantu abamnyama are backing me up I will be able to survive danokuthi mina ngiyazinikela because bengitshelwa nje omunye ukuthi do you understand ukuthi since you've entered president and you are 19 years old you have a very long journey you have a future here to protect do you understand ukuthi mangena in the political space ngeke usawuthola nanomsebenzi ngasho ukuthi no I understand and ngiyavuma I approve of being a sacrifice for black people I approve for umuntu omusha because nami honestly speaking if we don't gain this economic independence nami yini ke engizoyenza emhlabeni we are losing quite a lot of young people to depression to suicide because of economic independence lack of economic independence as long as we see abantu abamnyama sisazoqhubeka sibe dependent ku government for ama grant ngoba la ifuna le government ukusilekelela nakho nje ushayile umhla ka30 bahamba ama illegal immigrants kodwa we are not getting funding for ama spaza shops so as long as kusanje eSouth Africa mina ngiyazinikela. I sacrifice myself for my people. I sacrifice myself for all young people asebelahlekelwe ithemba about their future. Because akekho ngempela umuntu ongafuni ukuba economically independent nesithunzi uba naso makunjalo. As soon as nje siyithola leyo dependence leyo economic independence ngiyobe sengikwazi ukuthi nami ngikhululeke. So I will be able to withstand noma imapha ama challenges because sengicijisiwe vele ukuthi olindele ukuthi even within the party bona labantu abasha kuba khona abawazi ukutargeteka beplantwe. I'm expecting all of that.
Yes.
But anything for abantu abamnyama. I'm willing to do anything for abantu abamnyama.
Kwanti sesizovala nje ngifuna ukhulume nomuntu. We know which there's a lot of young people abahleli phansi kwama bridge ababhema onyawupe ama prostitutes abanye bayigebengu abanye basemajele bla 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 kuningi nje kuningi due to this financial freedom that they didn't have that you speaking about. Ngifuna ukukhulume nabo manje ukuthi nayi inhlangano yabo njenganabantu abasha nali ithemba elisha.
Ngithi Mntomusha wonke umlaleli nababukayo this podcast right now. Mntomusha omnyama oselahlekelwe ithemba. Ngisho nawe mzali onengane engawuthola umsebenzi sine degree. Nawe mzali ongawazi oyibona njalo ingane yakhe ihleli ingawuthola umsebenzi ingena kuma drugs ibona ingane yakhe ibuya ebusuku ihamba ama out because ihluleke iyona ndlela yokuthola isource of income. Khuluma nawe dadwethu nawo mfowethu ensebenza in all these different institutions izitolo la enibhekene nosizo enibhekene nalo. We are very much aware CNGG and ngiyazi ukuthi senifike kuleso sigaba where you are very tired of political parties. Nizanithemela kuma civic organizations and I completely understand ukuthi sesifike lapho. Abantu abamnyama or igovernment ethu njengamanje has failed us. Kodwa thina as young people we haven't been given the opportunity to show ukuthi nathi siyakwazi ukuthi si-implement singakwazi simkhulule umuntu omnyama. So ngale video ngoba ngikhuluma njengamanje siyacela ukuthi joinani iNGG. Hayi nanokuthi mhlawumbe sizonithembisa as I did mention I emphasize this. Konke esizokuimplementa everything that is in our constitution yinto enizoyibona even before you vote. Ukuze nani nibone ukuthi vote lenu liya kwinto eniyibona isebenza inyakaza. So ngiya encourage ukuthi nonke nisukume la nikhona join the NGG. We do have our website Next Generation Gov Party .co.za. Ngingasithola lapho ukuze nibone imisebenzi yethu kanye nama manifestos ethu. Kodwa as much as angithanda ukugxila kwindaba ye manifesto because it's just a policy and the policy iyahlala nje kuyiphepha. It's the implementation that's an issue. Masibuka onke amanye amaqembu. So see Next Generation Government nizokwazi ukusimeasureisha kahle nisicijise kahle and nami as president myself I'm very much accessible. Angithathi entitlement. I'm not entitled to anything. So sondela uma ngibheda la ngibheda khona as president ngiyakusho. Sondela mntu omnyama uzongitshela ukuthi hayi usuyabheda manje awuyibeke kanje owenze kanje. Siyasivula lesikhala siNGG. So ngiyanxusa nje ngiyanxenxa futhi nonke ukuthi ningalahlekelwa yithemba. I-Next Generation Government consists of young people abazolela leli kusasa esobe vele sikulo in the next decades to come. So registerani to vote or sekuvaliwe registration. Kodwa votelani i-Next Generation Government. Niphinde futhi hold accountable. Manje kungakavote ukuthi cha kodwa njani ngakafiki kuphi. Sizofika khona. Yeah.
Kwani no sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho mhlawumbe abantu abafisa ukujoina ama social handles we NGG either from TikTok, either Facebook, Instagram, your X, blah blah blah.
Okay, so we are on all social media platforms. See Next Generation Government. Uzobona nawe ki-bio kuzoba ibizwa nge-official page ukuze ngoba maningi ama account asekhona manje. So we are there and also there is a number that I distribute everywhere of the office of the president ngoba ngimentionile because umuntu engathi accessible uyasho ukho entitled uyasho kodwa manje sifikenyelela kanjani kuwe so sengicreate I hotline type of a number ese office of the president ukuthi mawufuna nanokhuluma nami hlale kanje si arrange ukuthi sihlale kanje unginikeze ama ideas akho ukuthi so simkhulula kanjani umuntu omnyama in a much quicker way in a much efficient way as well so I number ye office of the president is 060-737-3088 and uzosithola kuwo wonke ama social media accounts ama social media platforms you can also send us a message there we do respond askhethi there is not gatekeeping ayikho nepotism siphendula wonke umuntu who has any inquiry.
Next generation government ukwanda kobekade sivashele namhlanje estudio intokazi yakantombela nganza kwethu silva kanjalo kuhlelo olunye lwayo iDurban Network sithi wena bake babonana baphinde babona danko